Again, I am taking two sets. Let A be the first set, B be the second set. Okay, and I am taking an image X. And here it is a, suppose it is a function. And the image of X is Y. So what I took is, I took two sets. Elements will be there, extra elements will be there. I am concentrating only on one element. So I took an element X of set A and Y of set B, such that the image of X is F. Image of X is Y. Then we can write this Y as Y is equal to, I took Y from the second set, Y is equal to, which is a function F of X. So how can I write Y is equal to F of X? In another case, if I am taking the set as A and the image of A, let it be B, and the relation or the function I am taking as G, then how I can write? I can write B is equal to, B is the element of the second set, B is equal to G of A. What is G? G is the function of A. That means B is the image of A under G. Here Y is the image of X under F. So Y is equal to F of X. It is a common notation for the function. Y will be the element in the second set, X will be the element in the first set, and F of X will be equal to Y. And what is the definition actually? Y is the image of X under F. Otherwise, X is the pre-image of Y. Y is the image of X under the function F. Otherwise, X is the pre-image of Y. Okay. Again, if the first set and the second set, if I am taking the first set, that means domain and codomain, both are real numbers, then the function is said to be a real function. If the first set and the second set, that means if the function is defined from real numbers to real numbers, the function is termed by the name real function. If the function is, we don't know about the first set, but we are very sure that the range set, second set is real numbers, then it is called a real valued function. Okay. Again, how we will express or how we will define the function? F is a function from X to Y. X is the first set, non-empty set. Y is the second set, and that is also non-empty set, such that Y is equal to, this Y is an element of the second set, capital Y. Y is equal to F of X. This is how we will define a function. F from X to Y. X and Y are two non-empty sets. A function F from X to Y is defined as Y is equal to F of X. Okay. If domain and codomain are real numbers, then the function is called a real function. And if the codomain only is real numbers, then it is called a real valued function. And again, one more thing is there, all functions are relation. All functions are relation. But all relations need not be functions. I repeat, all functions are relations, but all relations need not be function. If a relation has to become a function, then we have the criteria that every element in the first set has a unique image in the second set. That is why we are stating that all functions are a relation, but every relation need not be a function.